Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 4 tick tick tick. Okay students, and today's topic is time. Dear students, today we will discuss about the time. Okay students, today we will learn about how we can see the time in a watch. Understand? Now let's start today's class. Look at here carefully. Dear students, in a watch have 3 hands. Okay, look, in a watch have 3 hands. A small hand called hour hand. Okay, and big hand called minute hand. Okay students, the third hand is second hand. This is called second hand. Okay, understand? Dear students, we know that in one day have 24 hours. It means that in one day is equal to 24 hours. In 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Understand? Dear students, please keep in mind this formula. 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, understand? Look at here carefully. Dear students, now let's start question number 1. Write the time shown by show by each clock in 2 ways. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here given that some figures of watch A, B, C. Look, Okay, students, look at here carefully. In question number A, okay, in question number A, look at here carefully. Here we see that the hour hand exactly between 1 and 2, okay, and minute hand is at 6. It means that, dear sons, we know that the time is half past 1, okay, the time is half past 1, okay, dear sons, the time is half past 1. It is also can be written as 1:30. It is can be written as 1:30. Okay, it means that 30 minutes past 1. Distance 30 minutes past 1. It means that 1 minute 1 hour. It means that half past 1. Listen carefully. Here given that the minute hand exactly at 3, okay, and the hour hand exactly between 7 and 6, okay. Therefore we can say that this is quarter past 6. The time is quarter past 6. Quarter past 6. It means that the time is 6:15. The time is 6:15, and this is also can be written as 6:15. Okay. Similarly, here given that the hour hand exactly at 1 and minute hand exactly at 9. Therefore, the time is quarter to 1. Okay, distance. It means that the time is 12:45. The time is 12:45. Understand? Distance. In question number 1 of A, here we see that the time is half past 1, and in question number B, the time is quarter past 6, and the time C is the time of figure C is quarter to 1. It means that 12:45. Understand? Similarly, in question number D, E, F, look at here carefully. Listen, if any student have doubt, please ask me. Look, okay, this is look at here carefully. In this figure, the hour hand exactly between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is at 9. Therefore, in this figure, it means that in this watch the time is quarter past quarter to 3. The time is quarter to 3. Okay, distance? It means that the time is 2:45. 2:45. Quarter to 3. In this figure, here we see that the time is quarter to 3. It means that we can say that the time is 2:45. And in this figure, here look at here carefully, minute hand exactly at 3 and hour hand exactly between 3 and 4. Therefore, the time is 3:15. Okay, the time is 3:15 and this is also can be written as quarter past 3. Okay, distance? Quarter past 3. Similarly, in this question, in this figure, here given that the hour hand exactly at 6 and the minute hand exactly at 12. Therefore, the time is 6 o'clock. The time is 6 o'clock. Therefore, here we can write 6 o'clock. Understand? Okay. This is question number D, E and F. This is question number D, this is question number E and this is F. Okay, understand? Question number G and H. Look, question number G. Yes. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. In this watch, here we see that the hour hand exactly between 1 and 2 and minute hand exactly at 9. Therefore, the time is 1:45. Okay, the time is 1:45 and this is quarter to 2. Understand? Similarly, look at here carefully. Here we see that the minute hand exactly at 4 and the hour hand exactly between 12 and 1. Therefore, we count one by one. This one's here we see that the time is 20 minutes past 12. Okay, distance? It means that the time is 12:20 and this can be written as 20 minutes past 12. Understand? 20 minutes past 12. Okay? Dear sons, similarly, we can solve all given question of this type. Okay, now read this. Now let's start question number 2. Question number 2. Show the time in the clock by drawing hand. So the clock, so the time in the clock by drawing hand. By drawing hands. Okay, distance. Look in question number A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. D, E, F. D, E, F. In this 4:30. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. In question number A, here given that 4:30 and here 5:45, 5:45, and in this question 9:15. Okay, here in this question, here we show the time by drawing hand. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 4:30. Dear students, we know that here given that 4:30, it means that, dear students, we have to take minute hand exactly at 6 and hour hand exactly between 4 and 5. Understand? This is 4:30. Okay. Similarly, here given that 5:45. This one here given that 5:45. It means that firstly we have to take minute hand exactly at 9. Okay, and 5:45. Then the hour hand exactly between 5 and 6. Okay, understand? This is 5:45. It means that 5:45. Okay, here given that 9:15. Dear students, look at here carefully. This is 15:15, 9:15. This is 9:15. Okay, this is 9:15. Therefore, firstly we have to take the minute hand exactly at 3 and the hour hand is 9. Understand? Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Okay? Now read this. Dear students, please fill your book with the help of this video. Okay? If any student have doubt, please ask me. Look at here carefully. In question number D, E and F. Here given that 4:50, it means that 50 minutes past 4, 10 minutes to 4, 10 minutes to 4, okay, 20 minutes to 3, 20 minutes to 3. Lessons, look at here carefully. This is also can be written as 10 minutes to 5. Understand? This is also can be written as 10 minutes to 5. Therefore, look at here carefully. Firstly, we have to take the minute hand exactly at 10 and hour hand exactly between 4 and 5. Look at this type. Okay, this is 4:50 minutes. Understand? 4:50, it means that 50 minutes past 4. Okay, so this is also can be written as 50 minutes past 4. Okay, 10 minutes to 4. Look, firstly we have to take the minute hand exactly at 10 and hour hand at hour hand between 3 and 4. Okay, understand? Similarly, in this question you are given that 20 minutes to 3. Okay, look, 5 4 the 20. Therefore, here we have to take minute hand exactly at 8 and hour hand between 2 and 3. Okay, this is 20 minutes to 3, or this can be written as 2 minutes to 40 or 40 minutes to 40 minutes past 2. Okay, 40 minutes past 2. Understand, dear students? And this 10 minutes to 4, this can be written as 3:50 or 50 minutes past 3. 50 minutes past 3. Okay. Similarly, you can solve all given questions. Okay. Now read this question number G, H, I and J. Look, question number G, H I. Okay, here given that 9 o'clock, and here given that quarter to 3, 9:35, and question number last J is 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Here given that 5, 10. 5, 10. Look here, given that 9 o'clock, therefore firstly we have to take minute hand exactly at 9 and hour hand. Here we have to take hour hand exactly at 9 and minute hand exactly at 12. Okay, distance. In this question, here given that quarter to 3, therefore firstly we have to take minute hand exactly at 9 and hour hand between 2 and 3. Okay, quarter to 3, it means that the time is 2:45. The time is 2:45. Here given that 9:35, 9:35. Look, 9:35. Understand? It means that 35 minutes past 9. 35 minutes past 9. And in this question, here given that 5:10, it means that 10 minutes past 5. 10 minutes past 5. Therefore, here we can say that 5:10. Look at here carefully. The minute hand exactly at 2 and hour hand exactly at 5. Okay, distance. Similarly, do it again. Okay, if any student have doubt in question number 1 and 2, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, distance. Thank you.